Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to be looking at the split strategy. Now we're going to focus on using addition for our split strategy today. Let's write down an addition sum. 14 plus 16 equals. Now, yesterday we learnt all about the jump strategy, which was using a number line. And today we are going to look at breaking our numbers up into their place value so that we can put them back together again. I'll show you what this means. Now, in 14, we have 1 10 and 4 ones. In 16, we have 1 10 and 6 ones. So what we can do is we can join together our 10s and our 1s to make them easier to add up. So let's do that by drawing lines. So that's a 10. Some people write 1 here, and that's not right. You need to make sure it's a 10. Otherwise you might get a bit confused. So we've got a 10 here and a 10 here. We've got a 4 here and a 6 here. Next, what we have to do is we have to find our friends. So the 10s go together. So we write down here 10 plus 10, because there are 2 10s. And then a 4 and a 6. 4 plus 6. So 10 plus 10 we know is 20. 4 plus 6, hey, that's a friend of 10. Let's put these guys back together again. 20 plus 10 equals 30. All right, let's try a more difficult question now. 36 plus 47. Now we're doing the split strategy, so we need to split them up into their place values again. So let's draw in our little lines and start with our 10s. This one has got 3 10s, which is 30. This has got 4 10s, which is 40. This has 6 1s, and that has 7 1s. Okay, let's join together our 10s and our 1s. 30 plus 40. 6 plus 7. 30 plus 40 I know is 70. 6 plus 7, well, I know what 6 plus 6 is, 12, plus 1 more is 13. Excuse me. 13. 70 plus 13 is 83. Let's try one more question together. Perhaps this time you'd like to pause the video so you can give it a go yourself. If not, you can just follow along with me as I go through the split strategy. So the first thing I want to do, again, I break up my number into my 10s. This one has 9 10s, which is 90. This has 3 10s, which is 30. This has 6 1s. This has 8 1s. So let's put it back now, our 10s and our 1s, let's put them together. 90 plus 30, because they're our 2 10s. 6 and 8. So 90 plus 30 I know is 120. 6 plus 8 is 14. Now I have to put them back together again, and I know that that equals 134. Okay, here are some questions for you to try now. Now you might be thinking, oh, this is hard, Mr. Leesman. I'm really struggling to get the hang of this. That's okay. I'm going to set another video at the end of this. A link will pop up for you to watch again on the split strategy. So I want you to pause the video now. I want you to give these questions a go using the split strategy. And hey, if you find that it's too hard and you don't know how to split it up, try a different strategy. Yesterday we did the jump strategy, so you might like to try that strategy. Press pause and then remember to press play when you're ready to find out the answers. All right, here are the answers for the questions. Now remember, you should have been using the split strategy to work them out. I'm not going to go through the split strategy because I don't have enough room on my whiteboard here, but I'm hoping that you did them and that you got the right answer as well. Remember, if you did, give yourself a big tick. All right, and then we'll move on to some more questions on the next screen. All right, here are the last set of questions for you to give it a go. Remember, pause the screen when you're ready to try them, and I want you to use the split strategy, and press play when you're ready to find out the answers. All right, here are the answers. Now, give them a big tick if you got them correct. And if you didn't get them right, I want you to go back and revisit the questions. And if this was a concept that you found difficult, don't worry. At the end of the video, I'll put up a link to the other video that we did in the jump strategy. Okay, excuse me, the split strategy. Now, this is time for you to end the video and then move on with your consolidation sheets.